Hey everyone, I want to quickly revisit the 3 improvements that we added in Stackby very recently. So the first improvement, you've seen that we have changed the design of how the dashboard looks. So now these boxes, these stacks are a little more boxy, and you can basically see it accordingly. So you see this, we've changed the design a little bit and added the box and made it more cleaner. The second one, we've added a favorite stacks tab. So if suppose you want to favorite a particular stack, you will see it here. So let's say I've got a particular stack that I like to favorite it. So I can just favorite it and it will be visible here in the favorite stacks tab. Now we've also changed the stack model UI. So if you go here, you will see I can change the appearance of the stack. We've added some brand new colors and updated a little bit on the icons side as well. And I can change the appearance, and I can also add like the stack guidelines. So you'll see the Slack notifications, duplicate and delete stack went into this particular model here. And this looks much more cleaner and much more organized when you are essentially working within your stack. So let us know about these 3 improvements and what do you think about it. Cheers.